Tip Cymraeg yr Wythnos, Welsh language tip of the week. And this week I'll be advertising and promoting our free online 10-hour taster courses. Betsy Cadwallader work in partnership with Cymraeg Gwaith, and they provide us with access to their courses, their free courses to Betsy's staff. There are a variety of different levels to choose from, and you'll see that each course consists of 5 units, pimp uned. It should take you approximately 60 minutes, 60 minutes to complete a unit, and each course is made up of part 1, part 1, and part 2, part 2. So pimp uned, 5 units in part 1, 5 units in part 2, which gives you your 10 hour, your 10 hours of learning. The beauty of these courses are that you can complete them at your own pace. And if you are partway through a unit, you can stop there and you can return and pick up where you've left. So you don't have to complete the 10 hours in one sitting. Also, you can revisit any of a previous unit even once you've completed it. So if you'd like to reinforce anything, or if you're not quite sure of something and you'd like to complete that unit again, you can do so. You will receive a certificate at the end of completing the 10 hour, the 10 hours, and you can upload that to your ESR as part of your professional development. Here are a variety of courses, like I said. So the first one I'd like to discuss is the healthcare sector. So this course has been tailored for the healthcare sector. Okay, so there's 2 parts, like I said, part 1 and part 2 of the healthcare sector. Another course you could do is just called Welcome, Croeso. Now this is very general, so it's not specific to any line of work if you like, but if you'd like to complete that one, you can do. So that one's called Croeso, Welcome. Once you've completed either the healthcare sector part 1 and part 2, or the Croeso, the Welcome part 1 and part 2, you can then move on to the Welcome Back, and that is a further 10-hour course. So 20 hours altogether if you like this style of learning and you'd like to continue. Os ydych chi'n medru siarad Cymraeg yn rhugl yn y Gymraeg, if you're able to speak Welsh and fluent in your Welsh, but maybe you lack a bit of hyder, confidence with your written Welsh, they've created this course specifically for fluent Welsh speakers, and it specifically to help you with your ysgrifennu, with your written Welsh. So it focuses on the gramadeg, the grammar, and also the treigladau, the mutations. This course is called Gwella Cymraeg, or Improving Your Welsh, and again it's made up of pimp uned for rhan 1, 5 units for part 1, and pimp uned rhan 2, 5 units for part 2. So making up 10 hour, 10 hours of learning. Well, where can you find these courses? If you go on the Betsy net and type in Cymraeg or Welsh, it should bring you to this website here, or this page, Welsh Language Classes and Tuition. And on here, I do update it weekly. I advertise all our classes here at Betsy Cadwallader. So Welsh Language Courses. So I'm advertising at the moment our weekly Welsh lessons with me, the Welsh Language Tutor. So there are new dates and they'll be launching a mis Mai in May. And Nant Gwrthein residential courses. So again, there's more information if you were to click on that link. The 60-hour self-studying courses, unfortunately, the deadline has passed, so you can't register onto these courses, but we will be launching them in mis Medi in September. Therefore, if you like the style of these 10-hour courses, you might want to put your name down for the September 60-hour course. So it's a development from the 10-hour course. And then down at the bottom here, online Welsh language taster courses, you'll see if you click on any of these, so Welcome Part 1, it will take you to the Cymraeg Gwaith website for you to register. And as I said, it is am ddim. If you have any troubles with accessing the course or unsure of anything or would like further information, please don't hesitate to email me on the email address below. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Hwyl fawr.